Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to show you exactly how to create a clean, responsive image overlay in Webflow in just a couple of minutes. Let's dive right in. First, open your Webflow project and drag a div block onto your canvas. This will act as our main container, so give it a class name like image wrapper. Set its position to relative. This is the most crucial step because it keeps our overlay locked inside this specific box rather than floating around the entire page. Next, place an image element directly inside your image wrapper. Choose the photo you want to use and set its width to 100% so it fills the container perfectly. Now let's add the actual overlay. Drag another div block inside the image wrapper, placing it right under the image. Give this new div a class name like overlay background. To make it sit directly on top of the image, change its position to absolute and click the full preset so it snaps to all four corners. With the overlay in place, you can now style it. Go to the Backgrounds panel and give it a solid black color. Then drop the opacity down to around 50% so the image underneath peeks through beautifully. You can now drag text, buttons, or any other elements directly inside this overlay background div, and they will float perfectly over your image. If you switch to preview mode, you will see your image sitting nicely behind a sleek, semi-transparent layer with your text perfectly centered and clearly readable on top, regardless of what screen size you're viewing it on. If this quick tip helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more bite-sized Webflow tutorials. Let me know in the comments what you want to learn next, and I will see you in the next video.